Hello and welcome to InMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Credit card, is it a boon or is it a bane? Well, there is a lot of argument around this entire topic because there is a large section of our society which is still very much skeptical with regards to the usage of a credit card, and there is another section of a society which is not only utilizing the credit card well but is also enjoying the benefits of using a credit card. In this video, we'll try and understand the positives of a credit card and how, if at all you focus on the positives and positive attributes of using a credit card, you might also end up enjoying the benefits of having a credit card. So without a further ado, one by one, let's have a look at all these 3 points which I'll be discussing with you in today's video. So the number one benefit over here that you can enjoy of having a credit card is the fact that credit card helps you to improve your credit score. Yes, you heard me right. Often people do not pay their credit dues on time. It can be their loan, it can be their personal loan or home loan or education loan, and because of which their credit score very badly gets impacted, and because of which tomorrow if at all they go up to a bank and ask them for a loan, the banks will definitely not entertain them, and banks in most cases will tell them that your loan application is getting rejected because of a bad credit score, which further hampers their credit score. But if at all you maintain your credit card properly, if at all you're paying your dues on time, and if at all you're able to manage your credit card well, you'll not only be able to enjoy the benefits of it, but you'll also be able to eventually improve your credit score, which will be helpful for you in the days to come. Because if at all, say tomorrow you want to start your own business, or if at all you want to build your own house, then you will definitely have to approach a bank. And if the banks will notice that you have a good credit score, then definitely they'll not be hesitant to give you a loan, because they know the fact that you are a credible person, you are a credit worthy person, and you are a responsible person. So a credit score not only helps you with regards to getting loans from the banks, but it also helps you to get a good job as well. Tomorrow, if at all you want to apply for a job, in most cases these days, companies are taking your credit report as well, your bank statement as well. They want to understand your criminal background as well. So if at all you are clean over there, then it will definitely give a very good impression in front of your potential employer also, which will eventually be helpful for you and your family. The second benefit that you can enjoy of a credit card is the fact that you save more money by using a credit card, and you can enjoy the benefits of utilizing a credit card. How can you do it? Well, if at all you are a person who is a frequent traveler, if at all you are a person who frequently travels to different cities, and if at all you utilize your flights to do this purpose, then definitely you'll be able to enjoy airport lounge access. Not only that, you'll also be able to enjoy getting discounts on your flight tickets as well. Many times, if at all you book your flight tickets via your credit card, there are chances that the credit card will be rewarded with air miles, and every time you get a certain amount of air miles accumulated in your credit card, you'll be able to utilize those air miles to buy your future tickets, which will eventually help you to reduce your ticket costs, and eventually will probably even be utilized full in terms of buying yourself other benefits within the flight. Example, you want to say buy yourself a breakfast, or maybe you want to buy yourself food, or any other kind of amenity, or maybe you want to buy a ticket or a seat which has better leg room. So you can take the advantage of having good air miles, or probably having good points in your credit card, because you booked your tickets via utilizing the credit card that you are using in on day-to-day basis. Not just that, you will also be able to enjoy the fact that if at all you are refueling your tank, it can be adding petrol or diesel in your tank. If at all you're using a credit card to pay the bills, then you'll also be able to get some benefits from the petrol bunk. And along with that, even if you want to say buy something for yourself or your family members, if at all you're using a credit card, it will eventually be helpful in terms of getting the benefits that you can utilize in your day-to-day transaction, in your day-to-day activities, which will definitely be a wholesome experience for your entire family. And the third and the most amazing benefits of having a credit card is the fact that it allows you to finance purchases through credit card EMIs. Say if at all tomorrow you want to buy yourself a brand new air conditioner, or maybe you want to buy yourself a fancy mobile phone, or you want to buy yourself a laptop or a motorcycle. So if at all you're paying via a credit card, then you will be able to get good deals from the respective vendor. For example, if you want to buy something like in terms of a mobile phone from any particular online shopping company, many times they do tie-ups with any banks or financial institutions, and which will definitely be helpful for you to get your discounts. Moreover, even if you want to order yourself food online these days in apps like Zomato or Swiggy, often when you are applying for a discount code or a promo code, you will be able to notice that there are special benefits or special privileges given to people who are using any particular kind of a credit card. So if at all you also want to enjoy the benefits of a credit card, then you must definitely be very well aware about the fact that if at all you don't use it well, you might end up paying a lot more money in terms of the interest that you pay, because often people end up getting into the debt trap, and because of it they end up paying almost 30 to 50% interest per annum just to clear off their bills. and they end up taking a personal loan for it, and they end up getting into a very terrible financial situation. But if at all you want to avoid this situation, if at all you want to utilize your financial condition in a positive manner, then you should definitely download and install the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 75 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages, which will help you understand about personal finance, career building, farming, business, and many more such interesting topics. And if at all you want to really download the application, the link of this app is provided in the description box as well as on the top comment. Once you download the application, don't forget to give my name in the promo code. You'll be able to enjoy a scholarship of rupees 2,000 absolutely free. And if at all there is any other question that you have about this particular topic, you can leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.